Hello everyone and good morning. Today we'll see adapter design pattern, both types, the object adapter and the class adapter. The purpose of adapter design pattern is for connecting or allowing two incompatible interfaces to work with each other smoothly. It's like you may have some old software which is running fine. It is huge in size, it has got a lot of features, but when you try to use the software, which is a legacy software, the interface through which you are trying to access the data from the software is different. Probably that is not the interface which is supported by the legacy software. So, in place of changing the entire legacy software such that it matches with the interface required by the client, what you do is you try to write some code in the form of an adapter class which will make the legacy interface compatible with the target interface which the client requires. For that, the adapter design pattern is meant. So let's go ahead. It says map the participants of the adapter design pattern from a given problem description and implement in a suitable object-oriented language, Java. Intent: convert the interface of a class into another interface the client expects. Adapter lets classes work together that couldn't otherwise because of the incompatible interfaces. When to apply? When you want to use an existing class and its interface does not match with the one the client needs. You want to create a reusable class that cooperates with unrelated or unforeseen classes on both the sides. Steps to apply: once you get a problem statement, what you are supposed to do is you have to define a legacy interface, you have to define an adoptee class, you have to define a target interface, define an adapter which can implement the target interface using the adoptee class reference, which is the object type adapter. Define an adapter which can implement target interface using an adoptee as a parent class, which is the class adapter. Class diagram for the object adapter is this way. On one side you have legacy interface which is implemented by the adoptee class. On the other side you have got the target interface which is not implemented by the adoptee class, but you will be making it to implement through a wrapper which is the adapter class, which is the target adapter which you will be writing. Then you have the class adapter which looks like this. You have a target interface, you have the adoptee class, you have the adapter which is written, which extends from the adoptee but it implements the target interface. This is what the class adapter is. Now the collaboration: clients call operations on an adapter instance. In turn, the adapter calls adoptee operations that carry the request or carry out the request. So the problem statement is a pack of cards has 52 cards. Each card has a rank and a suit. The rank starts from 1, which is ace, through up to 13, which is the king. The suits are spade, diamond, club and heart. The pack of cards can be shuffled. A top card can be drawn from the pack. A random card can be drawn from the pack and a size of the pack can be checked intermediately. You have to identify the adoptee from this, the legacy interface from this, the target interface from this, and the adapter from the above statement. implement the object adapter as well as the class adapter for the above statement, and then you have to paste the code, the class diagram and the output over here. See, some of you are forgetting to paste the output, so you should not do that. And at the same time, I would say that you will not be making two documents. Whichever document which is this, which you will be downloading, the same document you have to use, paste the class diagram, the code and the output over there, and then you have to convert it to a PDF. Don't put in two documents, just submit a single document. Okay, that's it. Thank you.